Do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And so one thing to note on this vehicle, you know, about 10 feet away, she's a looker. She looks really good. When we get up close, you're gonna see the age, especially on the other side. It looks like that side received all of the sun and this side must have been tucked away against a building. The paint over there has oxidized, faded really bad. You're gonna see the headlight over there is a little more yellow than this one. And so just so you know, this side looks really good and the other side definitely has seen better days. So let's start here on that fender. You're gonna have these little specks all throughout the paint, little stains, but the clarity looks really good on this side. Looking at that wheel, you do have the chips and the fading. You're gonna see in here your typical wear for a wheel that old. You got the fading here, you got all that texture. You got some damage down here. You can see all of that's faded. Overall that mirror looks good. Little scuffs here and there. Like I said, spots all throughout the paint. But for the most part, that door looks good. Little scuffs and scratches. You're gonna see all the oxidation and fading on that flare. This wheel has a pretty good chunk taken out of it, and it looks bent just a little bit. And these tires are dry rotted. They're 255, 18s. Trying to find the date code there, 2018. So you are gonna see the dry rotting. The tread looks good, but you do have that issue there. Got scratches here. Overall, that looks nice. That looks good. Got some scratches here. That glass is clean. You can see how dingy that headlight is compared to that one. They both are cloudy and dingy, but this one's a little more clear. And this is where you start to see the change in paint. So looking up close, see all of the specks in the paint, all of these little spots. Really kind of starts here over, and then you're gonna see the clarity issues. I'm gonna get kind of back here, try to change that lighting. You can just see all of the spots here on that light. And then just getting up close, you're gonna have all of that texture in there. And then this is the side where a lot of that clarity is gone. You're gonna see the stains in the paint. So anytime you have that water, you're gonna see the stains, little scratches. See the fading there. Got a lot of wear on that wheel. That tire's from 2018 and it is dry rotted as well. See, there's no more clarity left here. A lot of this has that more of a flat look now. You're gonna see it all on the trim here. There's a big dent here. I know it's not gonna show up in camera, but there's a lot of like hard water stains and spots on this. You're gonna see all the spots in here. Overall, that wheel looks good. We do have a large crack there on the bumper. You have some cracks here. And then looking at this taillight, so this is another, see how clean that looks in the metal? Then you come over here, and you can see all of the fading. You have a large crack right there. All right, checking out the interior. When you open the door, you're gonna have those little crackle sounds. Got some stains and little imperfections there. Nice and solid panel though, overall in great condition. Floor mat looks good. Looking at the trim here, you're gonna have some wear, little scuffs, but for the most part looks good. That cushion is smushed down. You do have some deep wrinkles that have started to crack. I don't see any rips yet. You have a lot of wear right there and cracking. You're gonna have cracks all throughout this area. Just typical wear here. You can see all the wear on the steering wheel. That front face looks good though. Those buttons look nice. And looking at this trim piece, you can see the large cracks here. It's just kind of sitting on there. Looks like there's some screws exposed. All of that is busted right there. That looks good though. Those buttons are all in good condition. A little bit of wear here and there. That looks nice. All that looks good. Alright, checking out the front right door panel. For the most part, that's in great condition. All of that looks good. That trim is clean. Floor mat looks awesome. Of course, you're going to have your wear. The seats are a little dingy in some spots, but the bolster looks really good. I don't see any rips or tears there. You do have some scratches on the armrest and wear there. Then you're going to have the markings and little spots here. That looks good. Glove box looks nice. That wood grain looks good. You do have some cracks right here. You can kind of get close there. But the rest of this upper side looks really nice. You have a very large crack across the glass. That looks really nice. Here on the back right door panel, got your spots in there, little scuffs. There's some wear up here. That seat back looks nice. Typical wear on these seats. I don't see any rips right here. That looks good. Little indentions. Little dingy. For the most part, it's in good condition for the year. Looking up here, it looks really nice. A couple little scuffs. All of that looks really good. Typical little scuffs and scratches, but for the most part, it looks really nice back here. And looking at the engine bay, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's in great condition. Plastics look nice. Overall, the underhood liner's in good condition. Typical little scuffs and scratches and little rips, but for the most part, it looks really good. All right, we're going for a test drive here. Got 185,490 miles on the odometer. We do have a large crack across that front windshield, and this rear view mirror here does shake. It's vibrating right here. You're gonna hear typical creaks. Hitting the brakes here. Steering wheel looks nice and straight. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. They stop pretty good for the most part. I don't feel any shimmy in the wheel when you apply the brakes. We do have some stuff in the trunk, so when you hear things kind of shifting, that's because they got some extra parts back there that come with the vehicle. There is a consistent rattle here somewhere on the passenger side. You can hear that kind of clicking and creaking. Like I said, steering wheel is nice and straight. It shifts nice and smooth so far. Suspension feels good. That shift's really, really nice. Extremely smooth. That's that box shifting around back there. Not sure if you can hear this. There is some sort of noise back here.